Today we are going to learn chapter number 15, Young Brave Arts. Young means like children like you. Brave Arts means a person who can face some dangerous situation. So now here you can see the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister presented the 2030 National Bravery Awards to 25 children on Friday, 24 January 2014, 2 days before Republic Day. So the Prime Minister presented, that is Prime Minister presented, given the award to 25 children on Friday, that is 24 January 2014, that is National Bravery Awards. That is those who have faced the dangerous situation and overcome that, the children have got the award, that is National Bravery Award. So the award was given before 2 days, that is 24 January 2014. Among these 25 children, 9 are girls. So we can say that 25 children total and 9 were girls, means 16 were boys. Okay, the Bharat Award was conferred upon 8.5-year-old Mahika Gupta from Delhi. So the Bharat Award was given to a 8.5-year-old girl, that is Mahika Gupta. Here the Mahika Gupta photo is given, and she is from Delhi. On June 16, 2013, Mahika Gupta was in Kedarnath with her family. So she was in the Kedarnath. The incident took in the June 16, 2013. Okay, Mahika Gupta was in the village Kedarnath with her family. Suddenly flood struck. When does the flood happen? When the river, lakes or pond overflows, then flood happens, and the whole villages is affected due to the flood. That is, more water comes to the village. The area was filled with muddy flood water. So the areas, we can also see when there is a more water in the road, we can see there is a water is of muddy. So the area was filled, the village where she was living were filled with the muddy flood water. Mahika could not see her parents or relatives, but heard her 4-year-old brother crying. So due to flood, when flood comes, it takes everything from the place. For example, house, people, okay, everything it takes away with the flood water. So Mahika Gupta was not able to see her parents she was not able to find due to flood, and relatives she was not able to find, but she can hear only a 4-year-old brother crying. So Mahika did not know how to swim, so, and she don't know the swimming also, she don't know. She was hit with stones carried by water. So when she was taking away by water, she was hit by a stone. So when flood comes, the big stones also carry by the water. So that stone hit her, Mahika, but bravely she waded out till she found her brother and dragged him to safety. So she was bravely means to face the dangerous situation, and she walked with efforts. So with the effort, she walking through the water. Waded means to walk in the water. Out with her out till she found her brother and dragged him to safety. She was walking with the great effort in the water to find the brother, and she drag means to pull him to safety means we can to safe place. Okay, there she held on tightly to her brother for hours. So she tightly held her brother, and for hours she was tightly holding her brother. When she saw her light, she waved for help. So when she saw her light, so rescue team, when they fled anywhere happens, so to save the people, the rescue team comes to help. So when they show the light, she waved for help. So she show the hands or some show something, so they will help her. After they were both rescued, so both were saved from the flood. Without determination means we can say to be remain calm and take quick action. Presence of mind means to take a correct firm decision. Okay, fixed decision, and even when it is a difficult situation, so we should be so she taken the correct decision. at the correct time. We should be calm and to take correct decision, and we should be, even in a difficult situation, we should take the correct decision. She saved her own life and that of her brother. So in this way, she, with the correct decision she has taken, when we take calm decision, then we will take the correct decision. So in this way she taken the correct decision and saved her life and her brother. Bravery was the year the bravery meaning is given. Bravery is in doing the right thing even one is afraid. So as you can see, afraid means to fear. She is fear of the water, as you don't know the swimming, then also she doing the right thing. So that is bravery. We become just by performing just action. Just means right. We become right when we do a right action, that is right work. We become brave by performing brave action, that is when we face dangerous situation by performing any dangerous action. Okay, so she has taken the dangerous action by saving his brother and walking with great efforts in water, as she don't know the swimming. Now the next one is also is given, but it's about a courage. So our courage means, we can say, ability to control fear in a situation that may be dangerous. Okay, so in dangerous situation also, we have to control the fear and to face the situation. Subham Santosh Chaudhary from Maharashtra has been given Sanjay Chopra Award for his exemplary courage. So here you can see the boy was given Sanjay Chopra Award for his exemplary, means very good, that can be an example for other person, that is exemplary. He was on his way back from school on 11 August 2012. So this incident happened on 2012. He saw that a van had blasted into flames on the village highways. So you can see that there was a blast means breakout, fire breaks out, and there was a burst into flames. So flames was coming on the national highways. Okay, due to burst means to break out. Flames were coming on the highways. The crowd had gathered that they were watching helplessly. So they were only watching, not helping them. Shubham rushed to the Shubham rushed to the vehicle. So he went to the vehicle, that is any car. Okay, the van, no, he is given the van. Okay, so the boy rushed to them, then to the go fast to the van and try to open the door. So he was trying to open the door, but the handle was too hot to hold. So the handle where he was holding it was too hot. Shubham quickly broke the van's window. So he broke the van's window. Like for example, he may have used some weapons like stones or something stick. Okay, anything he have used to break the window glass. So then he broke into and then unlocked the door from inside. From inside he opened it. There were two girls in the van. So in the van there were two girls. He pulled them out of a burning van and saved their lives. So they saved, instead of watching, he tried to help the two girls and saved them. He taken them away from the burning van and saved their life. Every year national bravery awards are given to young children. So every year there is a bravery award, that is a person who face the dangerous situation. For them the award is given for young children like you, for those who have done outstanding deeds of bravery. Outstanding deeds means those others cannot have not done. Deeds means action, the work they have done in a dangerous situation. These children present inspiring, that is to be example to others. Inspiring examples for inspiring to encouraging others to do. Okay, encouraging others to do for other children, inspiring example for other children. You can read about their acts of courage in the newspaper or in the internet. So like this act you can already have seen in the newspaper also. You have read that this child have saved that. Okay, this messages like this news you can acts means work, like this work you have already seen in the newspaper or in internet. Now here, what does Nelson Mandela has to say about it? The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. So here you can see that the brave man is, so brave men have fear, but he who conquers, but he overcomes. Conquers means to overcome the fear. So thus he do the bravery act. So that was the Nelson Mandela says about a brave man. Thank you.